Hello friends, welcome to A Time to Pray. Let's share 7 prayer points inspired by Psalm 91. Divine protection. Lord, I pray for your divine protection as I dwell in your shelter and rest in your shadow. Psalm 91 verse 1. Keep me safe from all harm and danger, both seen and unseen. Trust in God's faithfulness. Heavenly Father, I trust in your faithfulness and your promise to deliver me from the snare of the fowler and from deadly pestilence. Psalm 91 verse 3. Strengthen my faith and help me to lean on your unfailing love. Angelic assistance. God, I thank you for your promise to command your angels concerning me to guard me in all my ways. Psalm 91 verse 11. Send forth your angels to protect and guide me, and let me take refuge in their presence. Victory over fear. Lord, I cast out all fear and anxiety, knowing that you have not given me a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. 2 Timothy 1 verse 7. Help me to walk in victory and confidence, trusting in your mighty hand. Health and healing. Dear Father, I claim your promise of healing and health, knowing that you are my refuge and my fortress. Psalm 91 verse 2. Bring healing to my body, mind, and spirit, and restore me to fullness of life. Deliverance from evil. God, deliver me from every evil plot and scheme of the enemy, for you have promised to be with me in trouble and to rescue me. Psalm 91 verse 15. Let your light expose the darkness and lead me into your marvelous light. Communion with God. Lord, I long to dwell in your presence and abide under the shadow of your wings. Psalm 91 verse 1. Draw me near to you, that I may find rest and refreshment in your presence, now and forevermore. These prayer points draw upon the themes of divine protection, trust, angelic assistance, victory over fear, health and healing, deliverance from evil, and communion with God found in Psalm 91. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.